Hey guys, I'm back again here with another video. I just recently picked up this HP Elitebook and now only came with 16 gigs of RAM, so I just wanted to get a bit more. So I also just picked up a couple of 16 gig sticks from Corsair. It's the Vengeance 3200 series memory. This is one of the few laptops you can actually upgrade the memory. They're not soldered onto the board, so I was just gonna do a quick video to show you guys how to take this one apart, and in case you need to add storage or anything like that to it. So let's get started. All right, so first thing you guys are gonna do is remove the 5 screws that are on the back here. So they're these two, and then you got the top 3 right up here. So I'll do this here real quick. Alrighty. So these screws are, you don't physically take them all the way out, they're actually just attached to the back panel. So this one is a particular unit, it's a little tricky to get the back off since they're metal bodied units. So easiest way I found is if you have like a plastic non-marring tool, is start from the back and then just kind of work your way to the front. So essentially you'll just kind of lift and you'll see it start pry open up here and just kind of work your way to the back. So we got that. So that one's out, and then just kind of work your way around the edges. Like that. And then do the same thing on this side. There you go. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna slide it back. There you go. So that kind of exposes everything here. So the RAM modules are hidden right here, and then the M.2 is right in here. So all you essentially have to do is around the edges, you have to kind of work your way around just to remove the heat shield. First thing, of course, just remove this tape. Just lift it off like that. And then there's pretty much the access. So it did have like I said, 16 gigs. So I'm just gonna remove these. Alrighty. So got the modules out. So you just have to be careful the way you put them in because the notch is offset. As you can kind of see. So on this one, just basically goes this way. You angle it like that, and then you just push down until you hear the click. Same goes with this one. Now, this particular unit, as you can see, there's another slot right here. It's designed for the cellular antenna. So, because this laptop being a business style laptop, you can actually have LTE connections wherever you are. Mine unfortunately did not come with it, so I might utilize it for storage, or down the road I might actually just get a actual LTE antenna. When you put these guys back, the heat shields, you do have to kind of be careful around here. They're just not gonna sit like that. You have to kind of make sure that they snap back in, like this one just did. And the same goes with this guy. And then just kind of tape the stuff back down. And that's essentially it. This unit is very easy to work on. But yeah, so if you guys have any questions, just shoot them down in the comments, and I'm gonna try my best to answer them for you. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.